All right, Chuck got to make salmon, but we get the best deal of it all here at Foxwoods. We get to make chocolate. I don't know how to make chocolate, but we get to look at chocolate, and we get to eat chocolate, and we get to see how the master, executive pastry chef Franck Iglesias, makes all these masterpieces every night at Foxwoods. And Rachel, I'm excited. I love salmon, but not as much as chocolate.
We are like in the thick of it, and it smells so good back here. It smells delicious, just like sugar.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's everybody's favorite place here.
As it should be. It's like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. That's where I feel like one of the Oompa Loompas right now. All right, now tell us what this masterpiece is. Obviously, it's a picture frame of chocolate.
Correct. Everything is edible. It's all made of chocolate, and we do like a turn down ceremony every night. We do like between 10 and 15 turn down ceremonies for the hotel. And so this one we have a special guest tonight, and we make it a little bit fancier.
How many of these do you do every day?
This we do like between 10 and 15 every day.
How time consuming is it?
Don't tell my wife, it's a lot of time. I don't spend a lot of time at home. It's a lot of time.
It's our secret.
Yeah, it's a secret, but not really anymore. It's just a lot of time, yes.
Do we grab this?
Yes, so you have to take from under it. You want to do it?
Sure.
I would drop it.
Under.
Okay.
Don't drop it. I'm doing that job, nobody. And we're going to go that way.
Okay.
All right, now we get to figure out what to put on this masterpiece, Frank, and you have to direct us as to where you want to go here.
I will.
God knows I don't know what I'm doing.
If you want, I can show you a little bit, and you
It's
can
like
do
art
it.
class.
Add some color like this, some highlight, and do the same with the silver. Take some of the silver, and sometimes you just kind of
Yes, just
just
add
a little
touch.
bit, like okay. So I have a little chocolate here, and I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate on the.
Oh, see that?
Oh, that's nice.
He has the flair that I don't. That I
So
just don't
the
have.
whole dessert is edible. The little flower pots, it's all made of chocolate, and we have a white chocolate mousse inside with berries and cookie crème on top.
Well, you are a magician.
Thank you.
A magician who can make some goodness out of nothing.
John, grab that. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Where am I taking it? Show me the way, Rachel. Thank you, Frank.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bon appetit.
Man, I am stuffed from all of that amazing food, but I saved some room for cocktails. Coming up, we'll show you drinking and painting on Life is Great New England.